It's raining in Big Spring,
It's
Texas.
raining.
It has. I have not seen rain like this in forever. What'd it do?
It's raining. It's raining.
It's even cold here. Like, do you know how long it's been since I've felt cold?
Feeling Jesus' love.
Anyways.
It's
Oh my gosh, I can't believe.
Jesus' love. Up in this bitch.
Oh my god. Okay. Look how pretty it is. I love it.
It's raining, man.
There's a random truck. What'd it do?
What is,
Look at
that!
that!
Oh,
I want it for dinner.
Oh.
Whoops.
The next car.
The next
I want
time.
it for... Oh, God.
Of course. Let's just.
You'll see again.
Okay.
It's just a brick wall.
That hurt my back though.
Oh,
house!
Yeah, she's the one. Only one. All stupid. My hair looks like crap.
So does mine. It's a really bad day to straighten hair. It's like raining and stupid.
She's a brick.
House!
Look at... Oh.
Oh! There you go.
Looking sexy as hell.
I want it for dinner!
What's those legs in
My mouth!
Oh, she looked.
She did. Look how beautiful it is. I freaking love it here. Or wait, no I don't. JK, I don't love it here.
You'll never see me again.